Good morning, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi, and this is the WestCon weather update for today, Monday, November 6th, 2017. It's not the greatest of starts out there, to say the least, with showery weather and excessive cloudiness and humidity, and unfortunately, that will continue throughout the day today. It's going to be a total washout, I'm afraid, so any outdoor plans for this afternoon should be moved indoors, and you'll see why in just a moment. It'll finally feel like fall once we get through this rain, though, with easily the coolest weather of the season. And will the first flakes fly on Friday? It's not the most likely scenario, but I cannot rule it out, and I'll talk about that as well in just a bit. For now, though, in Danbury at 11 o'clock, definitely no risk of snow with a temperature of 63 degrees and a dew point of an impressive 60 degrees. That is quite high for November for sure. That's a 90% humidity, winds out of the southwest at 6 miles per hour, allowing those temperatures to be much milder than average. On our national map, though, we can see that it will not last for very much longer at all, as a cold front is draped from Texas all the way to Canada, and that will be passing through southern New England later on today and giving us these showers, a few more through the day, and then much cooler conditions for tomorrow and beyond. And on our satellite, we can get some evidence of these showers. The clouds that moved through earlier are appearing here as well. Though unfortunately, there are many more clouds off to the west, and they too have to work their way on through Danbury before we can clear things out for the much cooler weather that is expected. And to our west, there's some showers as well. Now, of course, there were more showers than what this radar is indicating this morning. If they're not appearing, because the radar beams will actually go over the top of them. So no, they won't appear here, but there were showers this morning. The showers off to the west are more significant and, in fact, quite a bit heavier as well. So unfortunately, if the rain changes at all through the afternoon, it will be becoming heavier. And so for today, rain heavy at times, I'm afraid. Not the greatest of forecasts by any means. A high of 65, winds south 5 to 10. Unseasonably mild, as I was saying. Unfortunately, that trend will come to an end by later on tonight. The rain will come to an end early. We will begin to clear things out. We'll be left with partly cloudy skies. Winds out of the north 5 to 10. 37 degrees is very close to the average for this time of year, and unfortunately, that sunset time of 4:43 is just painful, but that's the sign of the times as we work our way on closer to winter. As we go to our extended forecast, tomorrow a high of only 49 degrees, some 16 degrees cooler than today. Partly cloudy for the most part. Some showers develop late as an offshore storm clips southern New England. It'll be out of here by Wednesday morning, and we'll be left with seasonable conditions, partly to mostly cloudy skies and a high of 50. Thursday should be a bit less cloudy than Wednesday, but the temperatures will be nearly identical. And then we really cool things down for Friday. Now, Friday there is a system that will be moving off to our north and west that I cannot rule out dragging a scattered to isolated snow flurry along with it. It's not particularly likely. In fact, the chances are low enough that I did not include it in my extended forecast officially. However, it would not stun me to see the reports of flakes flying in some towns in western Connecticut on Friday. And then Saturday, our coolest day of the season by far, so up until this day, with temperatures of only 39 degrees for your high and overnight lows Friday night. Ouch. Down near the 20s and maybe even the teens in some of the cooler locations. Thank you so much for watching. I'm student meteorologist Stephen Puglisi. Have a great day.